Hello guys, now let us continue with the tutorials. Our last video we learned how to buy a domain in a web hosting at a reader host, and right now what we are going to do is we are going to look at what you can do at your client area, okay? Because some people find difficult to navigate through this platform, and I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So first of all, to do that, let's see, this is the package that we have paid for. Anytime you log in, it will take you to this page, and this is a package that we have paid for, and these are the free resources that we added during the checkout. Okay, so as you can see, everything is looking good. So then let me click here. So when you click there, then you see the product that you have paid for. This is the product. Okay, good. And when you put a mouse, it shows that the SS certificate is working on this domain. Okay, it's active. Okay, so before you add existing domain, make sure that you have changed the name server of where you bought the domain. Okay, that's very, very important. If you don't know how to do that, just reach out to me. I will give you a video on that. Okay, so good. So this is a package, and what else can I do? Let's go down here, or let me go to click on the logo and go to home. Okay, this is the home. I can click here and go to my services, and that is where I will see the product I've paid for. I can click on this. And here we are. So I can now see my bandwidth. I think this is okay, this is the disk space. Okay, there's a disk that I'm and there's the bandwidth. Okay, good. It's unlimited, and I have, okay, yeah. So, and let's see what else. And then these are the packages. Okay, if I want to create an email account, I can do that here. Okay, if I want to create a subdomain or backup, okay. So there's so many things that you can do here. If I want to change my distance, I can do that here. Okay, if I want to change my email or password, I can do that here. This is okay, good. So what you can also use this to lock. Let me click on that to manage, just to show you, give you an how to use this site lock. Okay, so I can just click here to proceed. It will give you an extra security on your website. Okay, oh, I don't know why this is not working. Okay, yeah, I have to drag this one down. Okay, yes, before I'll be able to select. Yes, because they want you to read it. Okay, yeah, they want you to read. Okay, so you see, it will scan your website for you. Okay, and you can see view details, scan now. So everything is perfect here. Okay, good. Now you can go to your dashboard just to see how things are going. Here is pending. Okay, so we just created this, so it's now reading our platform. So that is your platform. Okay, good. And then we have the 360. You can also click manage to also, I think we need to create an account, which I'm not ready to do that right now. So let's move on. The site builder, later I will show you how to go about it. So this is what you can do here. In case you want to buy another package, you want to buy a domain, you can just come here, renew, register a new domain. So if in case if you want to renew, you can do that. Okay, so you can just come here, you search for the domain name, then you can pay for that. Here you can look through and check the list, the pricing for the domain. Okay, we have .eu, which is 120, and then XYZ is 58.7. okay, good. And then .org, and the price is here. Everything, all the information that you need is here. Good. So what else? And then also, in case you want to, let's say you want to top up your account, yeah, you can do that here, but later we will come to that. This video I will not capture that. So for now we are done. So let's go to my services, and let me click here again. So if I want to go to that's where I can go to my cPanel. Okay, so here I can click here, and straight away automatically it will take me to my cPanel. This is the cPanel. You can just skip that. Okay, allow it, this, then this one too, you can skip it. Okay, good. So this is a cPanel. Now let me close that, and I think we are done for now. This is the domain. Okay, so what I can say now is thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course.